Hey guys, welcome back to General Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark. It's Monster Hunter Rise for the Nintendo Switch. Today we're running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card, and as you can see, it's already not the best we're going through here. We're testing this out on the latest build of the YUZU emulator, and it is having some issues catching up on the game. There were many graphical issues, including in the menu screen, the start screen, and the customization screen. It was crazy. And here we got into the game. Now, I am running the game on its default settings. I'm going to show you real quick. As you can see, man, we are having some issues. Now, AMD has been known to not work very well with the YUZU emulator. It got better lately because Zelda worked better. It was Zelda and Xenoblade Chronicles, but it seems Monster Hunter Rise is not the same case. The second game, Wings of Freedom, actually ran amazingly well, but this is not it. Anyway, let's go talk over here quickly and do what they told me to do, but I can't even get 30 FPS here. That's a struggle, man.
Oh, hello. Oh. Yep.
Not the best.
Have a look around.
I want to go wreck something. But man, the graphical issues are glaring. I wouldn't recommend this playable yet.
Hey.
Last but not least. Uh-huh.
This isn't playable yet. This really isn't. I mean, once again, it always comes. This is on PC though, isn't it? But once again, the whole point of the video is to simply show you the progression of the emulator. As you can see, the YUZU emulator is having a bit of issues with this one. Unlike many other games I've played, I don't actually think I've seen a game played this badly on the YUZU emulator before. Had this much graphic, well, you know, that stands to reason. That's a bit questionable, but it's really hitting me as of late. I mean, they either don't work hard, they still play it quite well, but this one, I can't even get 30 FPS properly in game, just running around.
So cool. Sure. Go visit the hub. Come on.
I gotta do all that before I can smash somebody in the face. I want to see what happens when I get into combat. Now, to be fair, it is building shaders constantly. This is the first time I'm running the game. I wanted you guys to see how it would be the first time I run it, as that's what I'm doing with every video now. But it really shows that it's not there.
Pardon me. This is Master Hojo.
Didn't even really make sense to try to uncap the frame rate. It did it. It's not like it can go over. It didn't even make sense. Just cap it at 30, dude. It don't even make sense.
Yes.
Hey there. Sup, Ace?
But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a like, a comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Literally, my point just to show you guys how the games run on the systems. This one looks like a pass for right now. It's not completely the best.
If it isn't Kimura's brightest flame, stay out of trouble.
Why do I have to do this again?
Sup, Ace?
What was the point of me taking a picture again? I'm skipping all this to get into the gameplay, but what was the point of me taking the picture? And wasn't she right here? Okay, there we go. Didn't want to talk to the cat.
Hello. Come back anytime.
Oh, that's not Hinue. So we're
Hey, listen.
the game, man. It's lagging. I would talk to her if I could find her. Do we have a map anywhere here? I live in this village. I should have a map. Oh, here she is. Strange.
It's a good day for a hunt. Hmm.
Why do you keep giving me so many animals? And it freaks out as well. I think it freaked out for the last time this time. But once again, I'm just gonna mute myself at this point in time. We've reached close to the end of the video. As you can see, we're having some terrible graphical issues still, but it still does run on the system. I'll see you guys next time. Just enjoy the rest of the gameplay until the video ends.